Today, we're looking at how to use national days to celebrate your products on social media. This is Greene King Inns, and they've got a collection of over 100 historic inns and hotels across the UK. And what they've done here is they obviously use Facebook in particular as a little shop window into showing all of their inns. One of the things they've done today is they've found Beer Day Britain. So it's an important day on the Greene King calendar. For over 200 years, the Greene King Brewery in Bury St Edmunds has been expertly crafting our signature beers. And their IPA is one of the UK's most popular real ales. So the pub is at the heart of all the hotels, so you can relax and enjoy a refreshing pint. So basically what they've done is they've used National Beer Day, which is a national event or campaign, if you like, a hashtag, and then they've used it to promote the fact that actually everything is founded on the fact that they've got a brewery, that the brewery, the beer, obviously, and the ale is one of the country's most popular products. And so it's really all about kind of celebrating it. So what they've done is they've looked through the national events calendar, and then they've looked at how they can, use national events to promote their products. Now, if I was them, one of the things that I would be doing is I would be wanting to make sure that I keep well on top of my social media. And actually, one of the easiest ways of doing this is going onto the Maybe dashboard. So on the Maybe dashboard, they've got everything up here. So you've got the number of content, you can schedule in your content, you can see the number that you've got scheduled in. You can see how many comments you've had, and you can reply back directly to them. You can see how many mentions they've got across all of their social media channels, so they don't have to go between them. They can see how many opportunities they've got to engage with people, and they can even monitor their ad spend. And then one of the best things that they could do is on the left, they can see their best post over the last week. They can start to monitor, what is it normally Facebook, is it normally Instagram? And then they can look at quite literally any other business as well to compare. So any other pub business, any other inn business, any other brewery, they can start to learn and contrast and make their social media even stronger. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.